Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the latest card class that I have available. This is the one that is featuring the Timeless Tulips bundle, which is the one that has this stamp set, Timeless Tulips stamp set, as well as a coordinating punch, which cuts this flower and the leaf. Definitely a great set to have because you can make so cute tulips, as you can see here. Now again, this is a card class to go, and it includes 6 cards, as you can see them there. Now for this time, all of my cards are actually fun folds, which I think is pretty cool because every single card has a different variation of a fun fold, so definitely you're going to be enjoying it. And another thing is that you will be able to recreate all of these cards with any other suite, any other occasions that you might want. So definitely great class to have. So as usual, there's 3 options for you. So the first option is the one that includes everything. It has the make and take kit to make all 6 cards, as well as the bundle. So it would include the bundle, which definitely you have to have this one. You're gonna love it. There's so many options. And then it would include a full pack of the design series paper, and then of course, like I mentioned, the make and take packet, as well as the PDF with all the video tutorials. I do video tutorials because I feel like I can explain better, I can show you exactly what I am doing, and so you can follow along through the video. And of course I share other secrets or tips, if you will, when you're doing your card making. So that option 1 again is the one that includes everything. That one is $75, and it does already include the shipping. I do ship priority, and so therefore there's a tracking number and insurance for those. The option number 2 is for those of you who might have already gotten this bundle. So option 2 is the one that includes make and take packet and the full pack of the design series paper. Now this option is $49, and again it already includes the shipping, and same as with the option 1, it is shipped priority. And then option 3 is for those of you who do not want me to send anything. You have all the cardstock, you already have the VSP, you have the bundle. Definitely you only need the instructions and the video tutorial, so that option is $20, and you can download it immediately. You can go into my PDF store at creatingwithali.com, and then just go to the PDF store. You can click on this class and download it already, or you can, and I'll put also a link in this video so you can also go there and have access, so you can check it out if you're interested in the tutorial. So definitely I think that this class is going to be super cute. Like I mentioned, these are all fun folds, so definitely great cards to learn how to make. This is one of my favorites, as you can see. So all of them are super cute, and I'm sure you're going to be enjoying them. So anyway, so thank you so much. I hope you join me in that class, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Have a good day.